How to stop email notifications from Skillshare. Hello, welcome once again. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can stop email notifications from Skillshare. So let's go. The first step is for you to log in into your Skillshare account, just like I've done here. And then after that, you will be brought to the page where you can see different classes, right? Then move to the top right corner where you can see options like sessions, my classes, notifications, and then your profile icon. Ensure you click on your profile icon, and then in the drop down menu that appears, you will see options like my classes, account settings, language, team plans, refer a friend, redeem perks, help, sign out. Ensure you click on account settings, which is the second option in the drop down menu. So after selecting account settings, you would be brought to your account settings page. Then move to the left side where you can see a sidebar, and then select email notifications, which is located under password and above language. So once you click on email notifications, you can see the different email notifications here. All right, so to stop receiving email notifications, just go ahead and uncheck the box that has been checked. Just uncheck them one after the other for the email notification that you no longer want to receive. And then once you do that, it will be turned off automatically. So you can just go ahead. If you want to stop everything, you can uncheck everything, just like I've done here. But if you have a specific kind of email notification that you no longer want to receive, you can just uncheck that particular one and leave the rest. This is it. Okay, this is how we can stop receiving email notifications from Skillshare. You can see how simple it is. Yes. So ensure you try this as soon as you can, okay? Thank you for watching, and ensure you like and subscribe to this channel. Have a good day.